Hey y'all, so it's currently 2:53 in the morning. We're about to head to the airport. I'm kind of scared.
Love the west side. You know I love the west side.
We are about to head to the airport. We have our stuff all packed. Your girl's excited, period. But I'll see y'all when I get to the airport, okay? Okay. Y'all, we're at the airport. We're getting on this bus. What time is it? It's 3:30. Okay, so it's 3:30 in the morning. We're at the airport. We're on this whack bus.
Shuttle.
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 We finna fly. Y'all, so I just figured out. Oh, see y'all when I get in the airport. We're in the airport. We are in. We're in this bitch. Y'all. It's kind of scary. Okay, so there's nobody looking at me. So I'm not scared to film myself. But, what are we doing? Huh?
Florida.
No, where are we going?
Myres.
Right now, Goofy.
To the terminal, weirdo.
Where are we going?
Terminal A.
Terminal A. She ain't gotta say all that, but okay. You're on the escalator. This YouTube stuff is really embarrassing. Like, but I'll get used to it. Because when I become famous, I won't hear nothing from nobody. Period, poo. Period, poo. That made me take my shoes off. Okay.
Bye, Brookie.
Hi, Perky. No. Now this vlog's gonna be entertaining. Rude. Rude. The airport's dead. There's nobody in here. Except old people. We don't like old people. We love old people. Oh. God. Y'all, she just straight pooted all in her pants. Y'all, I'm gonna pee. And I'm gonna leave my phone right here recording. Nobody's gonna steal my stuff, and if they do, it's on camera. Backed up to the clouds. I don't know why I thought we was gonna get on the plane fast. We're on the plane, and I'm scared for my life. We're gonna do a little mukbang. Alright, never mind. Y'all. Alright. I'll see y'all when we take off. Cause I'm gonna be scared. Okay, bye. We out. I took a nap. We're about to land. We landed. We landed. Hey y'all, don't mind what I look like. Please do not Mine would look like. We've been here in Fort Myres for about 4 hours, 5 hours. My phone's been dead the entire time. They just now gave us our hotel room. Yeah, they're out there swimming. Mandy's out there swimming and tanning. I had enough. I'm too white to be out there getting burnt. So yeah, if we do anything fun, I will be sure to record. What's up, YouTube? It's literally nighttime. And pretty much just chilled. I took a nap because I did not sleep at all for like almost 24 hours. We're going in the sandal shopping. Ooh. Hey. Hey. Okay, y'all. So I'm ending my YouTube video because I don't feel like recording no more.
She doesn't feel loved. She's not feeling the love.
My nose is sunburnt.
Farmer tan. Freckles.
They're barring me up. But yeah, I'm ending my YouTube video. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.